Chrysler slam latches for the Stow and Go system. Yeah, they're problematic because this is what happens. The handle breaks off. So I'm going to show how to repair the original part rather than replace it with an aftermarket part. So this is the original latch. I've removed it by just simply unscrewing these 3 screws, and then I put the whole assembly right back together again so as to retain the spring on the inside. Now, the replacement comes via Amazon, this OWOC part, and here it is. And so what I'm going to show you how to do is how to take this handle out and put it into the original housing. It's actually pretty simple. Notice on both of these I have left the retaining ring on here, okay, and that keeps the thing from coming apart. Now you may wonder why fix the old one rather than just install the new one, and here's the reason why, okay. The original part is 67 millimeters. The part from Amazon is 62 millimeters. And they have different offsets, which means that when you latch it, the original one will latch tightly, but the replacement part will not because it's got much greater clearance. And if you look at them side by side, you'll see it here. Right, that there's nearly 3/8 of an inch difference between the two. So how to do the fix? It's basically, there's a pin right here that has to be removed. It's a little hard to see there. This one's black. The OWOC one is silver colored. But basically what you're going to do is push that pin out. So if I take this, and this little screwdriver works really well because it's just slightly smaller than the diameter of the pin. There's the pin. When I pull this back out, what happens is the remaining plastic can be extracted out of there. There it is. And so now I just have the basic mechanism. And then when I take the OWOC part, and I'm going to push that pin out, and out it goes. So there's the pin. There's the handle. Note, it's basically identical in size to the original, okay, the broken one. So a really close match. I'm going to put that into the original part there. Kind of look, I can see, a little hard to see it with the camera there, but I can see daylight all the way through the hole here. There it is. All right, so to get it lined up, I just took this little Phillips head screwdriver that I had, and I pushed it in. Basically, it comes right out the other side. So all I'm going to do is follow it in with the pin here. And I'll need something to push on it. There it goes, it's started. And then just push it until it comes on through. Don't go too far, you want about an even amount on each side. Okay, and there it is installed. And once that's done, I can take this and notice when I work it, I have a working latch. You see it retract there. And that's all it takes to repair this part and swap that handle out. And then it will fit right back in as original, and it will work as original where swapping out with the replacement part doesn't work the same. So there you have it, an easy fix.